Alright guys, I just woke up and it's about 5:30 a.m. and we're gonna go fishing, hopefully catch some big bass. See ya there.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are at Lake of the Woods and we are renting a pontoon boat and we are
Hey, that's my intro! That's my intro! Come back here! This is for stealing my No.
a little guy was pulling out some drag.
I'm getting bits.
Getting bits.
Yes. Oh. I didn't set the hook. I didn't set the hook. I didn't set the hook, mate.
Huh?
I didn't set the hook. Checking to see if my line is good. Wow.
Conry.
Fish on. Oh! He's big. I don't think he's too big, but.
Oh, it's a perch.
Oh, it's a perch. Sorry, bud. Ooh, I don't want to keep you today. I really don't.
Your line goes tight.
Oh, he gone. If I catch a 4-pounder, just give me the Sharpies. I see Michael's red, yellow or yellowish greenish shirt over there.
There's multiple people who have them.
Is it like the company shirt?
Yeah, it says Lake of the Woods on it.
Mm.
And
Employee.
Or yeah, that's what I meant.
See, I had a motor on paddling.
there goes the bass right there.
Ow!
Yeah, there's a hook there.
No.
Oh, I had a big one.
Careful, don't trip over.
Worms.
Nice fishy. Hey, stop it. Sorry. Drop it down a little farther. What? Was that the horn?
Right. Don't do that because they may send out one of their rescue boats.
No.
No, all the grass there.
It's like we're trout fishing, but we're not.
Drop it by like some of these weeds, like right over there. Oh, you can white. On my Senko.
Oh.
Yep, you got him.
Wow.
Here. Bring it in.
Oh, sorry.
Bring him. Ah. Ah.
What is that?
What is what?
The worm.
Oh, it's the worm. No, what?
Here you go. You want to hold him? Grab his mouth.
You have to grab like.
Yeah, grab his gills first. Finger in his mouth and let go of the gills. Give me a little kiss. Goodbye.
Right there by the rogging rod, there's a worm.
Hey.
Big in?
Biggest today for me. It might be bigger than Conry's.
I don't know.
There is a ditch pickle.
Wait till Tyler
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Goodbye. I could tell that fish was suffering.
Conry?
Yeah?
I don't put the worm on.
How do you put the worm on? Here. You twist it around, put it here. So,
Looks like he has a fish.
Told you not to drop it.
Oh yeah, he does.
Do we have a lot of worms?
We got 24.
24 worms.
And you cut them in about 2 pieces. Each time.
We got 48. Oh! What is that?
Perch.
Cool.
These aren't my trench dogs. Should I not bring them?
Not bad, I just felt like
He's bleeding on his gills. Goodbye. You gotta go into the water.
he scraped my leg.
Did it hurt?
Yeah, a little bit.
Careful, because he just had his fish spine buried in his hand for 3 years, and he didn't know it.
Yeah.
I think I'm good.
From a perch.
Worm, you're dying.
Wow.
Oh, move the worms down on the floor in the shade. Okay.
What is that, my 6th fish?
Well, down there has been staying in the shade the entire time.
This is like a good spot. Michael was right.
We're not catching 4-pounders, but
Oh, it's fun.
if someone hooks into a fish 2 pounds or a pound, I'm gonna jump in.
No, you're not.
Yeah, you are.
And you're gonna steal the fish?
No, I'm just gonna jump in with the net and net them.
Oh. I don't need the net for that.
Hmm.
Do I?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Do you got it on?
Working on it. Are we torturing the worm to death?
People on stand-up paddleboards.
And on stand-up what? Oh, paddle boards.
We got their paddle.
Oh yeah. We should go give them to them. Is this blue one working good?
Does this work, Conry?
Yeah, it's one left. Yeah, it's a bit big, but yeah, a bigger fish will eat it.
Something's biting.